This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable lids, specifically these BevTech plastic 2-in-1 straw or sippy cup lids with plugs. They come in several different colors, and you can see here we have them in white, purple, clear, green, or black. They fit 12, 16, and 24-ounce cups. And we're showing them here with the BevTech frosted clear plastic hot and cold cups. The lids themselves feature a double plug design, and you can see it's easy enough to use them as a sippy cup or with a straw. So you have two options there on how to enjoy your beverage, and it's really easy to pop those plugs in place when you want to keep things sealed up and open them up when you want to take a sip or insert a straw. So they're great not only for using drink deliveries or for to-go orders, but also to do things like create sippy cups or nice straw combos for maybe drinks for your pint-sized patrons if you're sending things out to the table and you want to reduce those spills and messes. So it's a really nice, versatile, and well thought out item with a lot of great features, especially like that nice elevated drinking spout there. They're made from recyclable PP plastic, and they're suitable for both hot and cold beverages. The cups are sold separately, so you want to check the listing for those compatible RW lines. You've got some great color options that allow you to mix and match and create combos that work with your branding or even coordinate with your events. They're microwavable as well, so you can reheat drinks with these on. They're perfect for coffee shops or restaurants serving drinks to go or for delivery, for use in your office break room, or even at catered events.